How to watch Beast Games worldwide. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about Beast Games and where you could watch this show. Now, Beast Game is a show that Mr. Beast has created. And there are multiple platforms right now that allows you to watch Beast Games. But the most official one right now is Amazon Prime. We could check out in this platform over here showing us where we could actually watch our Beast Games over here. And as you can see, Prime Video is the number one or the only available streaming platform right now for our Beast Games over here, Season 1. And to be able to watch it, you're going to have to create an account in Prime Video, as you can see. But as you can see here, you can easily watch it with Amazon Prime. Now, Amazon Prime is available worldwide. There are certain countries that you might not be able to utilize it with, but majority you are able to watch these games through Amazon Prime. You would have to purchase it. Of course, you would have to have a subscription. But if you don't have any plans to have a subscription, you can just simply visit Mr. Beast's website over here and simply watch the first episode over here. Mr. Beast allows you to watch the first 10 minutes. So if you're sticking to not spending a dime or a money, you could simply watch that in their YouTube video. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.